Master Maths with Mr. A.B. Pardi. Hello friends, we are going to learn a class 9 subject algebra. Topic is real numbers. Please subscribe our channel. Hello friends, today we are going to learn standard 9th algebra and chapter number 2 real numbers. In previous standards we learned natural numbers, integers and real numbers. So let's recall natural numbers, integers and real numbers. Here we use capital N for set of natural numbers, that is called as set of natural numbers. We write it as in curly bracket 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next is set of whole number. We use the capital letter W, that is set of whole numbers. We write in curly bracket that start from 0, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and so on. Next is set of integers. We use capital I for set of integers, that is set of integers. You know negative integers as well as positive integers. So we write here in curly bracket as just like negative 3, negative 2, negative 1, 0, 1, 2, 3 and so on. The next is set of rational numbers. We use capital Q for set of rational numbers. Here we write in curly bracket as P upon Q, where P and Q are integers and Q is non-zero integers. Next is R, that is set of real numbers. It means all the numbers are included in real numbers. So we can write N is subset of means set of natural number is subset of set of whole numbers, and set of whole numbers is subset of set of integers, and set of integers is subset of set of rational numbers, and set of rational numbers is subset of set of real numbers. So in that way the set of rational number is the universal set of all these sets, means the set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers and set of rational numbers. So in that way we can draw the Venn diagram, and we can also show the set of all numbers. Here set of real number is the universal set of all these set of natural numbers, set of whole numbers, set of integers and set of rational numbers. After that we see the order relation on rational numbers. Order relation on rational numbers. Order relation means equality and inequality. So how will we find the order relation in rational numbers? Let P upon Q and R upon S are two rational numbers here. Q is greater than 0 and S is greater than 0 because Q and S, both these integers are non-zero integers. The first order relation, if the product of P and S is equal to the product of Q and R, then we say that P upon Q is equal to R upon S. That is the first order relation. These two rational numbers are equal when the product of P and S is equal to the product of Q and R, then we say that these two rational numbers are equal. Second, we see the second order relation. If P, the product of P and S is greater than the product of Q and R, then we say that P upon Q is greater than R upon S. Here the product of P and S is greater than the product of Q and R, then P upon Q is greater than R upon S. Let we see the third order relation. If the product of P and S is less than product of Q and R, then we say that P upon Q is less than R upon S. In that way, here we saw the three order relationship in two rational numbers. As I remind again, if the product of P and S is equal to product of Q and R, then P upon Q is equal to R upon S. Second, if P, the product of P and S is greater than Q, the product of Q and R, then P upon Q is greater than R upon S. Third is, if the product of P and S is less than the product of Q and R, then P upon Q is less than R upon S. Let we understand these three order relation with some examples. If 3 upon 4 and 5 upon 7 are two rational numbers, here 4 is greater than 0 and 7 is greater than 0. Okay. Now we see the first relation, that is first, means if 3, the product of 3 and 7, now we take 4 and 5, 3 multiplied 7 is 21, 4 multiplied 5 is 20. The product of 3 and 7 is greater than 4 multiplied 5, means 21 greater than 20. Okay. Therefore what we say that here 3 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 7. Okay, in that way we can find the order relation between the two rational numbers. We take second example. If 6 upon 9 and 2 upon 3 are two rational numbers, find the order relation between them. Let me write these two rational numbers first, that is 6 upon 9 and 2 upon 3. We take the product of 6 and 3, then we take the product of 9 and 2. 6 multiplied 3 is 18, 9 multiplied 2 is 18. Product of these two terms are equal, therefore we say that 6 upon 9 is equal to 2 upon 3. Next example, if 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5 are two rational numbers, find the order relation between them. Let me take both the rational numbers 1 upon 2 and 3 upon 5. Okay, now we take the product of 1 and 5 and we take product of 2 and 3. Let me multiply. 1 multiply 5 is 5, 2 multiply 3 is 6. Here 5 is less than 6, therefore we say that 1 upon 2 is less than 3 upon 5.